Welcome, sir.
Jimmy.
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
How's your family?
So I'm not married yet, though.
That's all right. Jimmy. Very funny guy. It's all right. That's good.
You're welcome.
What are you doing? You're funny. Using your shirt to clean laptop?
Sorry, sir.
Jimmy,
Sir,
I hope you're good.
I'm pretty good, sir.
That's great to know. Please, call me the manager.
Okay, Chief. Mr. Pedro.
Mr. Chief. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. The MD demands to see you in his office right away.
Okay, I will join him soon.
Hello, Mr. How are you?
Mr. Jimmy,
Yeah,
what is it? Have we not greeted this morning? What's all this greeting about? What's it about?
Is it a crime to greet someone 10 times in a day? Is it a crime?
I don't have time.
I have your time, baby.
Pedro, sorry, I needed to push the send button for the email I was preparing, and I didn't want to truncate my thought process. Okay?
It's okay, sir.
All right, so the board meeting of yesterday, how did it play out in my absence?
So far, so good, Chief. The meeting was as good as successful.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. So, what was the outcome of our contract proposal to Diamond Trust Limited?
Chief, it might interest you to know that the deal between us and Diamond Trust Limited is as good as sealed.
Really?
Yes.
Fantastic. Wow. That's great.
Chief, we are good to go. Douglas and Douglas Associate Limited remains number one.
Number one indeed. You see, Pedro, I have absolute confidence in you. The fact that you could convince Diamond Trust Limited to award us a contract of a whopping 50 billion naira, I mean, it shows how good you are, it shows how efficient and effective you are. I really appreciate that, and I think I have to reward you for that.
Thank you, Chief.
Wow.
Thank you.
That's great. That's great. Get me their file and that of Affix Investment, okay?
Oh, sure.
Sure. Congratulations.
Thank you, Chief. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Chief, excuse me.
It's all right.
Thank you.
Whew. That's great.
Come in.
Alright.
Speak.
The MD demands your presence.
Poverty away.
Billionaire.
My MD. Gosh, I cannot wait to behold your handsome face. Oh, how I have missed you. What a pretty damsel you are, girl. You're cute.
Good morning, Stephanie. How are you?
Very well, Chief.
Good.
We missed you.
Well, I'm here now. Please sit down.
Okay, Chief.
Give me a minute. I just want to peruse through this.
Okay, Chief.
Yeah, Stephanie?
Yes, boss.
Please, I need you to send me the account details of Diamond Trust Limited and Affix Investment Limited.
Okay, Chief.
Alright? I will need those details by 10 a.m. tomorrow on my table. Barrister Abel will be here. and we'll put final touches to the contract documents.
Okay, Chief.
Alright? But I want Pedro to go through it first, so pass it through him before you bring it here, okay?
Okay, Chief.
Good. One more thing. You can have this.
Okay, Chief.
One more thing. I will need you to also give me the details of Ghana Investment Limited. I suppose you're working on them already, okay?
Okay, Chief.
Good.
Yes.
Let me have that as soon as possible. All right?
Certainly.
Okay. That will be all for now.
Chief,
Yes.
aren't you forgetting something?
Stephanie,
Yes, Chief.
where were you?
I don't understand, Chief.
Were you not here when I said that will be all for now?
I thought you might be needing something else.
Stephanie, your absent-mindedness is beginning to get to my nerves. You better work on that, okay? I'll go back to your work.
Okay, Chief.
Why is she lighting her face?
Sorry, are you talking to me?
Oh, no, not at all.
Mr. Jimmy, if I'm to advise you, I would say you should forget about Miss Stephanie and her arrogancy. Focus on your work. You know where you're coming from. You know your background. As you can see, I'm minding my business, doing my job. Do not say I did not tell you, Makadama.
Loving you, the best you've ever done. Loving you, you know, loving you, it's the best you've ever done. Loving you.
Lunchtime. Aren't you going for lunch?
What is wrong with me? Why am I even falling for this girl? Look at how I'm sweating. Like a Christmas goat. A whole Jimmy. Jimmy boy. The one and only Jimmy back then in ABU Zaria. I was very hot now. A very hot dude. Eh? Salado masa. Palliative woman masa. How am I even falling for this girl? Steph, what? I'll marry Steph. Okay. See what will happen now. Once she comes back, I'll allow her enter her office. I know she will shake her bum bum, but I'll still look at her bum bum because I love her so much. Yes, I'll just allow her enter. Then I'll walk up to the door. I'll pause normally, check my mouth. If it's smelling, then my armpit is not smelling. Because she normally notices all these things. So I should be very careful. Then I'll knock her door before entering. Then I'll hear a voice. Yes! Who is that? Say, it's me, Jimmy. Yes, yes, what is this? Come in, come in. Then I'll walk in. Once I walk in, I'll look at her face. I'll say, hi. Hi, Miss Stephanie. How are you? She look at me. Who is this one? What is it? What can I do for you? I said, please calm down and listen to me. Miss Steph, please calm and listen to me for once, okay? You have to hear what I have to say. Say what you want to say and get out of my office. We are not mates. I said, please, Miss Steph. You know how much I love you. She wants to talk in that unusual manner because she's very arrogant. Very, very arrogant. But you know, when you love someone, you do they see the arrogancy. You know they see them at all. Because love will blind your face, blind your eyes. Then, I'll look into her eyes. I'll look into her eyes directly to her face. Then I'll kneel down. Stephanie, you know how much I love you. You just have to listen to me. She could just say, I shall day my eye, but I shall not day my eye. She not gonna know the love, the pure love what I have for her. It's just plain, it's just in my heart. See, Mr. Steph, please. Please hear me out.
Mr. Jimmy, are you okay?
Of course I'm okay.
Are you sure everything is alright?
Do you know if I'm praying? Do we used to pray in this office? Of course I'm okay. Can't you see somebody is asking the person?
It's the best tonight.
What's going on here? And why is this one sweating like a goat they're taking to the shrine for a sacrifice? You're not my problem right now.
You're so beautiful, my love. Your smile is my victory.
Can't you mind your business? Mind your business. Come on.
I have been faithful. I have been living my life in fear of you. I have my reasons to quit, but please can we talk right now?
Friend, focus. Stop poke-nosing. Big nose. When they say people have big nose, they keep poke-nosing.
Where have you been for long? Are you chilling somewhere? Can you feel my pain? Where have you been for long? I have waited, I have prayed, running out of time. Oh,
Who's that? Come in.
I'm losing my mind.
Hey, what a shame, right? What's wrong with Mr. Jimmy?
Hello, Miss Steph. Good day.
Speak.
Miss Steph, can you at least listen to me for once?
Mr. Jimmy, what is it? As you can see, I don't have all day.
I know you're a very busy person. I know that.
Can you just spare me all of that and go straight to the point?
Okay. Mr. You see, I've been praying concerning our marriage and
what?
And God told me something. God told me that you are my wife. Yes, I want to marry you, for real. Yeah.
Oh, please hold on. Shush it. Hey. You, Jimmy, want to marry me?
Exactly.
I've been waiting. I've been praying.
Come, Jimmy. Are you sick?
Not at all.
Wait, you said you did pray. And God told you that I am your wife.
I heard it loud and clear.
You hear well. Go back and pray again. This time, kabash in tongues. Vibrates in prayer. I'm pretty sure that God will reveal to you who your true wife is. Because it can never be me.
It's you.
Wait. Jimmy. Hold on. Just take a proper look.
I know what God showed me.
At me. Look at me so well.
See you, baby.
Stephanie, baby. For real.
You're hot.
Shut up. Hey.
Stephanie, you know one thing, God cannot lie.
Stephanie, don't suffer. Come, Jimmy. They don't tell you the shoe get size.
I'm actually wearing exactly my size anyway.
For you to think that I, Stephanie, will be your wife. Eh? Let me even ask you. How much is your salary?
Let's forget about that one.
Oh, shut up. How much do you earn as salary? That makes you think you can marry me. Huh?
I'm a man, you know.
Hey. What thing they do some men safe? They no feel hang their clothes where their hand feel rich. Jimmy, you won't die. You want to carry load that is bigger than you.
If you carry
Me, Stephanie. You actually had the infantry to walk into my office to spew this nonsense. Listen to me. Let this be the very first and last time you will walk into this office to utter this nonsense before me. Get out.
Steph, calm down first, okay? Calm down. Stop rushing these things. It's not fair, okay? That I love you beside I don't love you.
Get out!
You know the sign for my eye? It's very deep. It's very serious. It's a very genuine love. Steph, see, I want you to take time to think about what I told you.
He is actually serious.
He's very serious, and I also want you to pray about this, okay? Pray about it.
You, Jimmy, my prayer point. I reject it. I can never settle for a low life like you. A zero identity. Now get out.
Steph, I love you.
Love kill you then. Love finish your papa. Get out.
Steph, you understand the kind of love I have for you, eh? The kind of love I have for you. Oh my God. Jimmy loves you. Jimmy
Get
loves
out.
you. It's okay. It's okay. I know you love me deep down in your heart, but it's okay. It's okay. Don't do it. Don't do it. You understood. Come on, Steph. Don't do this.
God of the poor, where have you been for long? Are you chilling somewhere? Can you feel my pain? God of the universe.
Mr. Jimmy, you're crying. You went to see Miss Stephanie only for you to come out looking like this. What did she say to you?
What's the need of this life? I just want to die. I'm better off dead than being this way. There's no need living. I just want to die.
Mr. Jimmy, I don't know what she said to you. I don't know what is wrong with you or what you're thinking about. But I want you to know that God has not forgotten you. He will never forget his own. No. He's God. You're Jimmy. You're different. You're special. You're you. Please, Jimmy, I want you to put yourself together and know that you're strong.
You won't understand. You won't understand. I just want to die. I'm better off dead. Just want to die. I'm better off dead.
No, Jimmy, please. Don't say that. It's only God in heaven. He died for your sin. He died for my sin. He has already paid the price. So why do you want to die? No. You have to be strong. That God that paid our price, the God that made you to be alive today, the God that kept you, He will still see you through. He will never abandon his own. He's always more concerned about you. Take a look at where you're coming from and see where God has brought you. Can't you see? You have every reason to be grateful.
Is this life? Is this all life? Is this life? Eh? Let me just die and rest and let all these things.
No.
Can you hear me?
Miss Stephanie?
God of the poor,
Speak.
where have you been for long?
Miss Stephanie, it's been 2 weeks now. I've asked you to pray about our marriage proposal.
Excuse me?
About us.
Mr. Jimmy.
See, one thing, I love the way you call my name. Yeah.
I'm very sure you heard me loud and clear the last time. You are not my type. This cannot work. Can't you see it is so glaring? There is a big gap between us. Fine. Let me refresh your dumb memory. Mr. Jimmy.
Yeah.
Aneko. Mr. Jimmy. You are the company's messenger, common messenger. And I am the company's accountant. Secondly, I cruise in a Mercedes while you do not even have an ordinary bicycle. Thirdly, in this institution, I am your superior. You take order from me. So, can you reconcile? Can you see that this can never work? It will never work. I cannot condescend to your level. Okay, fine. Let me be nice this once. Mr. Jimmy, take this advice. Go to your village. Tell your mother to look for a village girl for you to marry. That is if she's still alive.
Hey. Hold it there. Okay? Do you understand? Do not try that again with me. In as much as I'm asking you to be my wife, does not give you the right to insult my mother.
Hey!
Do you understand?
Hey! Mr. Jimmy, what will you do? Beat me?
I'm not going to beat you. Not at all. Because I love you with all my heart. But I want you to do something for me. Stop looking down on people. Because no one knows tomorrow. I might be the company's messenger today, but things might change tomorrow. Yes, I might not have it today, but tomorrow is greater. So please, stop looking down on people. It's not good.
Why wouldn't I look down on you? Why wouldn't I look down on you when your shoe keeps drawing my attention? Your shoe is even looking down on you. Get out of my office.
I mean, let's get back to work.
Get out!
I have been faithful.
Give me your shoe.
I have been living my life in fear of you. I have my reasons to quit, but please can we talk right now?
Rejection.
God of the poor, where have you
Imagine.
been for long?
Professor!
Oh,
Stephanie, you've suffered.
can
You suffered. Just imagine the river. Who cannot even feed himself 1 square meal a day? It's coming to tell me nonsense. Can he afford me? Look, can he maintain me in any way, in any implication? Can he? Nonsense.
You're looking great.
Thank you, Chief.
I like your suit.
Thank you, Chief. Thank you.
You see, you might be wondering why I'm having a kind of discussion with you right here in front of the office. Okay? You've been working with me for a long time now. You are a diligent worker. You have contributed a lot to the growth and the profitability of this company. As a result, I've decided to reward you. The reward might not be really adequate, but it's just a token of appreciation. All right?
Chief, I don't know what to say.
Yes, you know, the reward for hard work is more hard work, right?
Yes.
But it's also good to just give something to motivate the staff as a show of appreciation for your good work. So this is your car key.
Chief, Chief!
That is your car.
Am I dreaming or what? For me?
You're not dreaming.
Chief! Oh my God, thank you! Ah! Chief! Yes! Ah, Chief! Yes! Oh my God! Mercedes Benz! This is for the big boys! Oh my God! Oh, oh. Chief! Thank you, Chief! For me? Yes, thank you. Thank you, Chief. Thank you, Chief. Thank you, Chief. Oh, thank you.
Well, Pedro, that is not all. You have a car. At least you will want to buy fuel. You would want to wash it. So, this is a check of 1 million naira for you to buy fuel and wash the car.
Chief! 1 million naira for me? For me? Oh my God! Oh my God! Thank you, Chief!
Enjoy your car.
Thank you! Ah! Thank you, Chief! Thank you!
I have been faithful. I have been living my life in fear of you. I have my reasons to quit, but please can we turn right now? Where is your message? Oh, I'm pleading your message.
Please be the mother of my unborn kids.
Jimmy, don't you get it? We are like two parallel lines that can never meet. Get that into your thick skull.
Stephanie, see, you don't have to jump into conclusion like that, okay? You just need to pray and think over it. I mean my proposal. Please.
Read my lips. I cannot. I will not. I will never marry you.
Steve?
You stink. Your mouth stinks. Did you even brush this morning before coming to spew nonsense before me?
I did.
Oh, Jimmy. Do you use deodorant? Each time you walk into my office, you change the smell of this office. Have you ever seen a perfume before? I mean, a nice cologne? Do you even have one? Every time you appear before me with this rumpled, dirty, oversized shirt and trousers. Asking me to marry you. You have some guards. You really have some guards.
Yeah, I'm a man.
Oh, shut the hell up! Shut up! What nonsense. Now you listen to me, Jimmy. The next time you step into this office to vomit this nonsense again, you will not like what I will do to you. I hate you with so much passion. Can't you see the haze in my eyes?
I love you. I don't hate you. I love you with all my heart.
Jimmy.
You know they see the love from my eye?
Thunder, fire, that's your love. Get out. Get out!
Please don't send
Get out!
You're sending your guy away. Oh.
Can you hear me? I have been faithful. I have been living my life in fear of you. I have my reasons to quit, but please can we turn right now? Where is your message? Oh, I'm pleading your message.
Mr. Jimmy,
Can't take
your
it
phone
no
has been ringing.
more.
Mr. Jimmy, is everything alright? You've been like this since morning. Please, whatever is the problem, just let it go, okay? Remember, you can't solve a problem like this. Please put yourself together and pick your call, okay?
God of the poor, where have you been for long? Can you hear me call from my place of pain? God of the universe, where have you been for long? I've been waiting, I've been praying. Can you hear me?
But I'm being your call. I'm being your call. It's a matter of life and death.
I know all these disturbances is because of money. Eh? They're just disturbing me because of money, nothing else.
Hello, brother.
Big girl, what is it?
Brother, I'm not fine. All is nowhere. Brother, it's Papa. Papa. Papa is not fine.
What?
Papa fell down from the palm tree. Yes.
Is he dead now?
Brother is very bad. The doctor said he broke his spinal cord. And he's in the hospital right now. That is people don't come and deposit the sum of 500,000 naira. He's not going to attend to him. But I'm going to sort out our Papa to die. Brother.
500,000. Hey. Okay, Abigail, I've heard you, thank you. Just look after him, I'm coming. Hi.
Mr. Jimmy, what happened?
My father fell from the palm tree and broke his spinal cord.
What? Oh, so how is he now?
They said I should deposit 500,000 naira before they can commence treatment.
Are they crazy? Like they're insane? What is wrong with Nigerian hospital? So they want the old man to die? Eh? I heard these things are not done abroad. So what are you going to do now? Please just put yourself together. Eh? You can't even travel like this. You don't have money, so how will you go?
I have to rush to the village now. I don't even know what to do.
You and I know that Miss Stephanie will never give you your salary. It's not even end of the month.
I can't even ask the manager to give me because I know he will not agree. You know he got a check of 1 million naira the other day and he will think that because of the check that I'm coming to ask him for money.
Please, don't go to Miss Stephanie. She will never even give you audience.
I'll trust Stephanie. She's a human being.
Say so.
Where have you been for long?
Come in.
Are you chilling somewhere? Can you feel my pain?
Speak.
Okay, I got a call from the village that my father fell from the palm tree and got his spine broken. The hospital he was rushed to said I should deposit the sum of 500,000 naira, 500,000, before treatment can commence. Please, I do not want him to die. He's all I've got. Please, help me. So I'm asking if he can give me my salary so I can use it and go take care of my father. Please.
I knew it. I knew you must be a son of a wretched palm wine tapper.
beg your pardon, Stephanie.
If your father is not a palm wine tapper, what would he be doing on a palm tree? Anyway, we do not pay salaries until when due, which you are aware of.
Please.
So, we will pay salaries when due. Please, get out of my office.
Please, Miss Stephanie, I need to rush down to the village. I need to go and meet the doctor so the treatment can commence at least.
You know, Jimmy, if someone had told you that you would come begging me for upfront payment after spewing rubbish before me, would you believe?
Miss Stephanie, we are not enemies, are we? We are not. If we are enemies, I wouldn't have come to you with marriage proposal, asking you to marry me, asking you to be the mother of my unborn kids. Miss Stephanie, I love you. Yes, with all my heart. Please, I need to save my father now. I know it's not a crime that I've come to ask you to marry me.
Just shut up! Shut up! Lester, shut it for you. Of course you've committed a big crime. Asking me to marry you. A woman you cannot maintain. How dare you? Can you maintain me?
Oh, Miss Stephanie, come on. Do you hate me this much that you desire my father dies? Please. Please. I beg you. I need to rush down to the village. You know I love you. With all my heart. Stephanie. Please.
Listen. That's nothing I can do. Alright? There is nothing I can do. So just get out.
Steph? Now your guy, you.
Get out. Jimmy, get out!
God of the poor, where have you been for long? Can you hear me call?
Good riddance to bad rubbish.
From my place of pain, God of the universe, where have you been for long?
Jimmy,
I've been waiting.
Why is your face like that? What did she say to you?
She said all sorts of despicable things to me. Called me a wretched son of a wine tapper. She walked me out of her office. It reminded me how wretched I am.
But I told you that going to Stephanie is just a waste of time. Now what are you going to do? Why don't you go to Mr. Pedro? Speak to him about this.
I have been faithful. I have been living my life in fear of you. I have my reasons to quit, but please can we turn?
With or without money, I'll still go to the village.
No, please just speak to Mr. Pedro about this. You going to the village without money, it seems like you're not there. Don't you know the Nigerian hospitals? They will not even look at your face. Please, I beg you.
Oh, I'm pleading your mercy. Can't take it no more. Can you?
Mr. Jimmy, you look moody. What is the problem?
So, I got a very distressed call from my younger sister that my father fell from the palm tree and broke his spinal cord.
Oh my goodness! How?
So it's okay, let me tell you, I have to start going now.
No, hold on. Do you have any cash there? I know our Nigerian hospitals.
So I asked Miss Stephanie to please give me some money, but she refused. I mean some of my salary, but she refused.
Okay, hold on.
God of the poor, where have you been for long? Are you chilling somewhere? Can you feel my pain? God of the universe, where have you been?
Mr. Jimmy,
for long?
this is a check of 200,000 naira. This will go a long way in sorting the bills of your father. Go ahead. Have it for your father's hospital bills.
200,000 naira. Hi. Thank you so much. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
No, get up.
God bless you.
Don't worry, you need to go right now.
Okay.
I would relate to Chief whenever he comes back from Abuja.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Mr. Pedro. Thank you.
I have been faithful. I have been living my life in fear of you. I have my reasons to quit, but please can we talk right now? Where is your mercy? Oh, I'm pleading your mercy. Can't take it no more. Can you hear me?
I thought you said he's a nice man.
Yes. What happened?
He's really a nice man.
Oh my God, I told you.
I just told the manager that my father is being admitted in the hospital.
But I told you.
You know, immediately he brought a check and started writing. I just told him that. Oh my God. He just gave me $2 million.
I told you. Mr. Pedro is a nice man.
Yes, he is.
He's a good human being. Oh God, there is no time to waste. Now, you have to rush to the village, okay?
It's okay. Thank you. Let me just think something.
Been praying, can you hear